Hello viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. The easiest, most unbelievably creamy avocado pasta will be on your dinner table in just 15 minutes. The most glorious, most creamy pasta without cream or butter. All you need is simple, fresh ingredients. That's it. I have served it with garlic butter shrimps. Friends, don't miss out to check the recipe of shrimps cooked in Sprite drink. Yeah, that's a twist. Link is given in the description box below, so don't miss to check out that recipe. Cook the pasta as per the packet instructions. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. In a grinder, add in garlic cloves. The hero ingredient is avocado. Avocados are a great source of fiber, potassium, and packed with monosaturated fats that works to lower LDL cholesterol. Avocados are calorie dense, meaning there are a lot of calories per gram. Plus, they keep you satisfied longer. I am adding 2 avocados, and this will give creaminess to the spaghetti along with lemon juice and give it a good whirl. Oops! I missed to add the salt and a good glug of extra virgin olive oil. This is a completely optional ingredient. I am adding 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, or you can add any processed cheese and give it a final whirl. The pasta is cooked and drained. And now add in the avocado cream and mix well. At this point, you can add in some cherry tomatoes, steamed broccoli, carrots, or just fresh basil leaves. I would like to keep it simple by adding handful of chopped parsley. Ta-da! Just 15 minutes and here I have a heart-healthy meal without cream and butter. I have served it with garlic butter shrimps. Friends, don't miss out to check the recipe of shrimps cooked in Sprite drink. Yeah, that's a twist. Link is given in the description box below, so don't miss to check out that recipe. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another yummy recipe.